We've had 3 motorhomes in the past. 2 of them I built. We've never had a new motorhome. I'm to the point in my life that I'm struggling to work on the old motorhomes that we've had. So we decided to get a brand new one.
He wouldn't get anything without me looking at it. But we have, you know, a very old 1939 bus, which is very roomy, but it's got a lot of issues. You have to babysit it a lot. So this will be nice, and we won't break down.
We shopped for many months looking at all the different footprints, and we're kind of partial to vehicles that are very maneuverable, and this one is just a tad bit over 20 feet long, and the horsepower to weight ratio is very, very good, and we're hoping that we can get just a little bit better gas mileage than the one that we currently have because of the short length. Big selling point for us. Really had a good experience, and we ended up with this brand new motorhome. Other than the fact that it's new.
Yeah, it's got a really nice refrigerator, but it's just all new, and you don't have to move something to cook, and you don't have to move anything. It's right all there. It'll be fun.
Choice.
Yeah, and my daughter has a Sprinter, which is actually a similar size. It's 25 feet, isn't it?
No, 22.
It's 22 feet, so I think our inside's better than their inside, but they bought that because they didn't want anything wide. Jonathan's great, and Freddy that put us through this, he was very thorough. He's great.
So we're hoping that we can take a lot more shorter trips since this vehicle's a little bit more maneuverable than the one that we currently have.